So hello students, welcome to all of you in this video lectures. Here I am going to continue the chapter 13. Today I am going to explain you the TSA and CSA of cylinder. So students, first of all I will draw a diagram which is a type of cylinder. This is a type of cylinder. In this cylinder, this is the radius of the cylinder. This is the radius. This is height. So, this outside surface is called the curved surface area. Curved surface area, which is twice pi r h. Twice pi r h. See students, this circumference of this circle is twice pi r and h is the height of this cylinder. So if you cut this cylinder and then this will be in this shape. Cylinder will be in this shape. It will be like a rectangular shape, right? In this rectangular shape, this length is nothing but the perimeter of the circle, which is twice pi r, because r is the radius, and this height is nothing but the breadth of the rectangle. So this rectangular surface forms the curved surface area of the cylinder, and the area of this part is twice pi r h, because we know that area of rectangular sheet is length into breadth. So length is twice pi r, breadth is height, so twice pi r h. So twice pi r h is the curved surface area of a cylinder. Now total surface area. In this cylinder, other than this curved surface area, we have two faces. One is base, top, and another is bottom. Both top and bottom are in a circular shape, right? And the area of a circle, we know, pi r square. So there are two pi r square. One is on the base, other is on the top. So total surface area CSA, which is twice pi r h plus twice pi r square. After taking common, twice pi r, twice pi r into r plus h. This is the formula for total surface area of a cylinder. Now third is volume of a cylinder. Volume of a cylinder means the area occupied by the portion occupied by this cylinder, or the space occupied by the cylinder. This inside space is the nothing but the volume of this cylinder, and its formula is pi r square h, where pi is 22 by 7 or 3.14. R is the radius of the cylinder, base of the cylinder, and h is nothing but the height of the cylinder. So students, I hope all of you understood the formulas. I am repeating again. Formula of CSA is twice pi r h. Formula of TSA is twice pi r into r plus h. And volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. Students, let us discuss few questions based on this topic, which is question number 1. Question number 1 in your textbook. The first question is the curved surface area of a right circular cylinder of height 14 centimeter. So in this question, given height h is 14 centimeter And surface area, curved surface area, CSA is given. CSA is given 88 centimeter square, and we have to find the diameter of the base. This is question mark. We know CSA of a cylinder is twice pi RH. So it is given that twice pi RH is equal to 88, right? So 2 into 22 by 7, R we need to calculate. H is 14 equal to 88. Now the getting cancelled, 7 2 is 14. Now all the numbers in the numerator, if you multiply, 4 4 is 2 to the 4 and 4 22 is 88, R equal to 88. So R will be equal to 88 by 88, cancel 1 centimeter. Therefore diameter D is twice R, so 2 into 1, which is 2 centimeter. So this is the answer of this question. We have to calculate the diameter of the base, and answer is 2 centimeter. Next question, question number 4. The diameter of a roller is 84 centimeter. So given, first of all let us